Hello everyone, I am Shivang Singh, currently here working as a technical engineer in Semco Infratech Private Limited. Today I am going to make video regarding this nickel plate resistance testing machine called model number NIT200. This nickel plate resistance testing machine has one lithium-ion battery. That means it's a rechargeable battery. We don't need to give live AC supply. Now let's talk about the working operation of this machine. Here is two buttons. One is for power supply and one is for the changing from 200 milliohm resistance to 2000 milliohm resistance. Now let's see. Here after pressing this power button, here we can see that the one digit showing and here is the milliohm showing. We have two types of probe for the testing of this resistance. Here is a nickel plate. We just need to put this nickel in this machine. While testing this nickel in this hole, we don't need to touch this nickel from any side. Here you can see that it's showing 4 milliohm of resistance. Now second thing, we can also test from these probes. We just need to connect this probe like this and just need to connect these two terminals like this. At the time of testing, remember one thing, we don't need to touch the nickel, otherwise you will not get the proper values. Here we can see that it's showing around 140. So this was all about this nickel plate resistance testing machine model number NIT200. You can visit our head office for the live demo of this machine and as well as remaining machines at Semco Infratech Private Limited. Thank you for watching our videos.